I'm hooked on kissing and getting you all turned on, buzzing and loving on you all night long. Like a hit song on the radio, you already know the way it goes. All it took was one look and I was hooked on the way that you were taking my shirt off and running my fingers through your long, long hair, falling in your eyes like the first time they caught mine. All it took was one look and I was hooked. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come up with new videos. Let me know if you have other requests. This song was requested and I'm grateful it was because I'd never heard the song before. So, and it's pretty awesome. This is Hooked by Dylan Scott. It's a great song. If you have other song requests, just let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to oblige if I can. I can't promise I can do every song, but I'll do my best to get to them. So this song is in standard tuning and you don't have a capo on there, so it's pretty sweet. You're only going to use 4 chords for this song, okay? So but there's different strumming patterns to use in the verses and in the chorus, so I'm going to show you, okay? So what you're going to do, the chords you're going to start with are A. If you don't know how to do the A chord, you're just going to be on the 2nd fret for all of these on the D string, the G string, and the B string, okay? So you're just going to, I use these fingers, okay, these 3, and you just put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pinky goes on the 2nd fret on the B string, okay? All right, so that's A. Then you're also going to use F sharp minor. So for F sharp minor, you're going to go on the big E string and you're going to bar the whole thing. Then you're going to put your ring finger, okay? That's on the 2nd fret on the big E string. And your ring finger goes on the 4th fret on the A string. And then your pinky finger, all right, if you can see that, your pinky finger goes on the 4th fret on the D string. All right, if you can't bar it, just don't bar it. Just play it like, keep your finger up instead of flat, all right? All right, so that's F sharp minor. All right, then you're gonna use D, so D's like that. D, put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret. On the G string, put your middle finger, okay? It goes on the 2nd fret on the little E string, okay? And then your ring finger is gonna go on the 3rd fret on the B string. Okay, so that's D. Then you're also gonna use E. Y'all probably know some of these chords, but I'm just walking you through it real quick, okay? So then what you're gonna do, put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, put your ring finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, all right? And then your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the G string, okay? And that's E. So those are the 4 chords you're gonna use. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna palm mute. So you're gonna put this part of your hand as close as you can to right there. Not on that, but like right in front of it, okay? And you're gonna mainly pluck the bass note, so up higher, okay? All right? All right, see how that sounds? If you do it too high up here, it sounds like crap. So don't do that, okay? All right, so the way the song starts is bum, bum, bum. So you're just gonna do A, and it's gonna be down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 okay? Now if you can't do the down, up, if you can't alternate on that, you don't have to, just do down, 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 okay? Just keep doing the 3 downs, okay? That's how you'll do it, okay? So, but you should do down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. So you do down, up real quick in there, all right? Now, if that's hard, no one's gonna notice or if you're just playing it for yourself, whatever. But no one's really gonna know unless they know the song super well. And you're just gonna keep doing that. Now, that's for the intro part. Then once you start doing it, I would just do down, 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 okay? So what you're gonna do is, it was a Friday night, okay? So you do A on, it was a Friday night, so A on Friday night. No cover, but the cover band was sounding. Okay, sounding is where you're gonna go to F sharp minor. Sounding right, but there you were, just flirty dancing by the neon. Okay, by the neon is where you're gonna do D. Neon sign, to fishing in the dark and reeling, all right? Reeling is where you're gonna go to E, okay? Reeling in my heart, and I look where you are, and I'm hooked, okay? So now you're playing it open, so that's palm muting is what you were doing. Now for the chorus, you're not going to palm mute anymore, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna play the same chord progression, but you're gonna strum it very differently. You're gonna do, I'm hooked on kissing and getting you all turned, okay? So you're gonna do down, down, up, 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 down. Okay? So it's just that down, down, up, down. Now you could honestly probably just do, I'm hooked on kissing and getting you all turned on, but I'm buzzing and loving on you all night. So you could do that. It doesn't sound quite as good. You could just do the alternate strums. It doesn't sound as good though. But the thing to keep in mind with guitar is that you don't have to, like, there's a lot of different ways to play it, especially if you're playing it acoustic. It's not going to be exactly the same as on the album. So, so for that, I would do the down, down, up, down. And you can throw in the, so yeah, I'm throwing other stuff too, right? So you do down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you don't have to throw in those other things, but totally feel free to, okay? So the way you're gonna do it is, the chorus is, I'm hooked. Hooked is where you play A. I'm hooked on kissing and getting you all turned. Okay, turned is F sharp minor. Turned on, buzzing and loving on you all night. Okay, night is D. Night long, like a hit song on the radio. You already is where you're gonna do E. Already know the way it goes. All it took was one look and I was hooked. Okay, hooked is A. Hooked on the way that you were taking my shirt. Okay, so shirt is F sharp minor. Shirt off and running my fingers through your long. Okay, long is where you do D. Long, blonde hair falling in your eyes at the first. Okay, first is E. First time they caught mine, all it took was one look and I was. Okay, then you're gonna go back into how you're doing the first verse. You're just gonna do 3 strums on A. Hooked. Then you do, all right, you're gonna start palm muting again. Okay, so then you're gonna do the second verse the same way as you did the first one, and the second chorus is the exact same and everything. When you end the song, all right, you can just do, and I was hooked. You can just end it like that. Or you could do like a single strum or something. But anyway, that's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. And see me next time. Bye.